Hello guys, welcome back. We are watching Tech World. In this video, I am going to unbox Realme X3 SuperZoom smartphone. I am going to review the smartphone features like camera, gameplay and body design. Now let us start to unbox this brand new Realme X3 SuperZoom. Here we have brand new Realme X3 SuperZoom. Till I unbox the smartphone, please do like and subscribe my channel for latest tech updates from Tech World. At first, there is a case and some documentations. Here are some papers like quick start guide and some other documentations. Here it is a plastic TPU case which is slightly translucent with dark grey color. I will just keep this aside. Here is our smartphone which we are going to take a look afterwards. Inside we have 30-watt dart adapter. It is of nice build quality and of nice look. We have SIM ejector tool, Type-C cable. Let's look at SIM card tray and see the configuration. Oh, it is a dual nano SIM card where there is no slot for SD card. I am repeating it once again. We cannot expand the storage by using external card like microSD card. Now let us have a first look at this smartphone by turning on the device. It runs on Android 10 with latest Realme UI. Let me try the protective case. Yes, this protective case fits perfectly. At first, let us take the phone to gaming test. This smartphone has a dedicated game mode. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. I am playing this Call of Duty Mobile at highest graphics setting where it does not lag even after playing for an hour. The game runs smoothly and the device does not get heated up because it comes with one of the best effective cooling mechanism, liquid cooling system and dual graphite sheet. Now let us move on to the camera test. I have recorded a video in 4K at 60 fps in a park while walking where it was an awesome video stabilization. I have taken some photos to wide angle, 1x zoom, with 2x zoom and also with 5x zoom. Talking about its display, it comes with a touchscreen of 6.6 inch of IPS LCD display that has maximum refresh rate at 120Hz and 399 pixel density. Now coming to its specification, the smartphone supports 30-watt fast charging which the company promises that it charges 0 to 100% in 55 minutes. The smartphone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at front and back. It has plastic frame also. We have come to an end of this video. Share your opinion about the smartphone through the comments down below. For more videos based on tech, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, stay safe and stay tuned.